Hello friends, recently we complete the Thailand tour. This international tour was very adventurous. By ferry ride, we went to AONANG and KRABI Island. KRABI Island is very beautiful. At first, we go to Phuket and we stay in the 5-star hotel which is centrally AC. Thai products are available by proper price. We enjoy 3 days in Phuket covering all islands. From Phuket by ferry riding we go to different islands such as AONANG, KRABI. Here I want to share the color of seawater waves, hills through the journey. Please enjoy the videos. Thank you. Good evening.